Good morning, students. Today we start with our first poem, that is Adventure of Isabel. Isabel. And this poem is being written by a famous English writer, Ogden Nash. And who Ogden Nash is? He is an American poet who wrote more than 500 comic poems. And this also is one of his comic poem. And he has written this comic poem on her daughter, right? So Isabel was her daughter. So let's start with this poem. I'll read it for you. Isabel met an enormous bear. Isabel didn't care. The bear was hungry, the bear was ravenous. The bear's big mouth was cruel and cavernous. The bear said, Isabel, glad to meet you. How do, Isabel? Now I'll eat you. Isabel didn't worry. The Isabel didn't scream or scurry. She washed her hands and she straightened her hair up. The Isabel quietly ate the bear up. Once in a night as black as pitch, Isabel met a wicked old witch. The witch's face was crossed and wrinkled. The witch's gum with teeth were sprinkled. Oh ho, Isabel, the old witch crowed. I'll turn you into an ugly toad. Isabel didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. She showed no rage and she showed no rancor, but she turned the witch into milk and drank her. So this is our poem. So as I told you, it's an adventurous poem. So Isabel was on a series of adventure, and on her series of adventure in the night, she met four people, four things that we have. She met an bear, then she met an witch, and then she met an doctor, and then a giant also, right? So what happens was when she met a bear, and the bear said that he didn't care and he was hungry. The bear said that I was hungry and I'll eat you up. Even though on hearing this, and the bear was very cruel and his mouth was as big as a cave. On seeing all this, the Isabel didn't fear at all, and what she did is she'll tell her, oh, no, you are not going to eat me up. She didn't scream at all, and but what in return she did was she washed her hands and she straightened her hair up, and then what she did was she ate the bear up. Okay, and that's how she finishes her first adventure. And then on further his journey, she met an old wicked witch. Right, all of you know who is a witch? Yes, he is a cruel magician, like we have seen the type of magician. Okay, so here she met an witch. Okay, and that was a cruel witch. So what she did was she the witch crossed her face, means the witch showed his anger, and she wrinkled his face, and she showed his anger to the whom? Yes, he showed his anger to the Isabel. And after showing his anger to the Isabel, and she said that I'll turn you into an ugly toad. And even though the Isabel didn't worried at all, and she showed no anger and nothing bitterness for witch. And what she did was she warned the witch, and then after warning the witch, she turned the witch into a glass of milk and drank him up. That's how he finishes his two adventure. Rest to adventure will complete tomorrow. Thank you.